Emergency lamp that never goes out. I never bought candles again after discovering this trick. To do this, you'll need a glass container like this one. And you don't have to buy a new one. You can use an old one that you no longer use. You'll also need a piece of string. If you prefer, you can even use a piece of cloth. The important thing is that it's made of cotton. Use a screw or nail to make a hole in the lid of the jar. Do this carefully, making sure that the diameter is suitable for passing the string through. We'll also need an aluminum lid like this one. In the same way, we'll make a similar hole to the one we've already made in the lid of the jar. It's very important to choose the type of lid. It must be aluminum to work properly. Now, with the help of scissors, cut a large piece of string. Then fold it several times and wrap it around here. I'll make 2 turns and it will look like a piece of string. That will be our wick. Once you've done that, simply thread the string through the holes, as shown in the video. Pass it through the hole in the larger cap, and then through the hole in the smaller cap. I'm sure you'll never spend money buying candles again, because you won't be in the dark anymore. Learn how to make this emergency lamp. It's easy to make and uses just a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. After stringing the rope, what we need now is our fuel, which in this case will be traditional cooking oil. You can use any brand you like or even used oil. That's right. You don't have to use new oil. It can be that used oil you've saved. The best thing about this lamp is that it can be made quickly from recycled materials. This lamp doesn't go out and can last all day. Next, shake the bottle a little. This is important so that the rope is completely soaked with oil. Otherwise, the lamp won't last very long. Now let's test it. Just turn it on and the oil at the bottom will keep it lit all day. When the oil runs out, just add more and it will work like new, keeping your home illuminated. This is a great trick, especially now in the rainy season when some areas are without electricity. With this homemade lamp, you won't be left in the dark, and all without spending money on candles. That was today's tip. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay with God, and see you in the next video.